Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2015 and up Chrysler 300, the 95-6553B. To start the installation, use the pry tool to unclip the climate control, then unplug and remove the climate control. Next, carefully unclip and remove the dashboard vent trim panel. Next, remove the 4 screws securing the radio display. Then unplug and remove the display. Next, with a pen, mark the area on the subdash that you'll need to cut. Then cut the subdash to allow room for the aftermarket radio. Note, be very careful that you don't cut into the snap locations. Finish the radio assembly by snapping on the new trim panel over the face of the radio. Then reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation and test for all functionality with the touchscreen display and steering wheel control settings. All audio, video, and steering wheel control interfacing is included along with the harnesses and the antenna adapter as well. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.